Hello, welcome back to Simple Living Mummy channel. Today I want to show around American Girl doll store in Mirdif Citycentre Dubai. There are two stores in Dubai, first in Mirdif City Center and another one in Mall of the Emirates. Here we have quality dolls with lots of characters and choices for the little ones. And they are selling even accessories for the dolls separately. They even provide salon works like manicure, pedicure, and hairstyling. They have different themes for different dolls and given variety of characters to motivate the children to move in positive and increase confidence level. Here is one of the staff briefing about the store. So please keep watching and enjoy this video.
So I'll start with the quality of the dolls. So these dolls are very specifically known for its quality, and they do not break easily. So as you can see, even if I try to pull the legs out, it does not come because it got a very strong threads which has been threaded inside the body of the doll. So that is one quality. And the second one, I'll take it through this side. Daddy, so we have this experience that comes along with the dolls. We have this salon for dolls especially. So basically once the girls get the dolls, they bring the dolls here to do the hairstyle. They also do comes here for the nail polish thingy, that is manicure and pedicure. And they also come for the ear piercing, which is like one of the experience that we have in the salon area as well. So this is the second thing that we are stand out in the market. And the third one is like most of the character dolls, they comes with a specific story book, which is like a very much influential in terms of like girls reading them, because these stories can build in a girl a confident, maybe personality grooming as well. Because once they read it, they want it to be as one of the character dolls that we sell in the shop itself. So these are the three quality that we are stand out in the market. As per your information, we've been doing this business in the US for 30 years already, and this is our second year in UAE.
And how many stalls you have in Dubai?
In Dubai, we have two. One is in Mirdif Citycentre, which you are standing at this moment, and we also have it in Mall of the Emirates. And talking about golf, we also have opened one store in Bahrain as well.
Bahrain. So how many collections you'll have totally? Like different characters in different characters?
For Be Forever, we have Nanaya, Julie, Mary Ellen, Melody, Kit. That's the Be Forever character. These girls come from different years. Like for example, Nanaya comes from 1941. So this Nanaya has a story like how the girl used to be on that 1941 year. I mean, like how she has struggled, especially her story mentioned about the aftermath of World War II too. So she explained like how the world was at that point in time, or how her place was at that point in time, and how she, being a girl, helped the community and her people and her friends in schools and everything. So every girl has their one particular story, like which is very much powerful and for Be Forever. In contemporary, we have almost 4 characters. One is Tenny and Logan. Logan is a partner of Tenny in terms of music because he loves singing and she's a singer. We have Girl of the Year Luciana, which is Girl of the Year of 2018. Somehow she will be staying in store maybe mid of this year, but we already have Girl of the Year 2019 Blair Wilson on this store. So for Luciana, maybe in mid of this year, she will be out of the store and she will go back to our library where you can find it in our collections. And for Truly Me, we have a range of collections. So Truly Me is an area where you can find a similar dolls who might look like your daughter, niece, or whoever you are buying the dolls for. In US, we also have a facility where you can make a customized doll, where you can change her hair colors, eye colors, skin colors, everything. But that facility is not provided, not introduced and provided. So we have the collections where you can find a similar dolls, like you just match the hair, maybe the skin or eyes. So girls love that section most.